Hey everyone, welcome back. Just landed in Vegas. This time is a little different because I am staying at a service residence and not a hotel like I typically do. I was referred to me by a friend and I just wanted to see what it's all about. She was telling me that it's a fully furnished, fully serviced, similar to a hotel, but the comfort of a home. So let's go here and pick up my bag. Well, I see my bag. Let me grab my bag really quick. Oh, there you go. All right, let's go find our ride. I see a couple of things have changed. Some upgrades happening here. Lots of amazing food coming up. All this excitement. Let's head out of here, get into my ride, and head to my service residence where I will be staying for the next 2 or 3 months. Well, this is going to be the longest time I will stay in Vegas, 2 to approximately 3 months. I think this is it. I can see it. All right, pulling up. Well, I like that there's a guardhouse. Extra safety never hurts. And I'm about to pick up my keys at the check-in area. Well, now that I'm all parked and ready to go, this is my building. So I was told all these buildings have a fob access, and I got that when I picked up my keys. I am on the 3rd floor. I'm here, 3008. Very nice. Let me grab my luggage. Nice sized kitchen with an espresso machine. Put this here and look around the room. Very neat. Let me sit down. Ooh, the couch feels good too. Let's see here. Oh, I like this view. Very modern, urban. Look at that. King size bed. Perfectly made. 4 pillows. Oh, that's smooth. Blackout curtains. Love it. What else do we have here? Nice robe. Look at that. More than enough space and a safe to put my $1 million of cash. I guess this takes us to the bathroom. Not a spot. Perfectly clean. Look at that. Towels, towels, towels. Nice subway tile. And more of these. Grove Alchemist. Extra large bathtub. Let's see what they have in the kitchen. They said it's fully furnished. Toaster. We've got plates. Microwave. Cups. Champagne, wine, and I think these are water glasses. Stuck under. Perfectly polished. Looks brand new to me. What's down here? Oh, cookware. Perfect. Mat and napkins. Cutleries. Dishwasher. And a large fridge. What's here? Oh yeah. Well, let's go check out the gym. Details, details. Double lock. Heading to the gym. You can even watch TV here. Another beautiful day in Las Vegas. Just a few thoughts. Oh, this is awesome. No noise. I can actually focus on my laptop. The air is clean. Non-smoking all throughout the property. That's a definite plus for me. Well, we're returning into the gym right now. I'm just looking for a place where I can work on my laptop. This looks like a good spot. Business Connect. We're stepping into the resident lounge. This is the yoga studio. Before heading out to dinner, I wanted to come and take a walk. I was told about this great lawn. It looks good. Look at the huge grassy area where I can probably do a couple of cartwheels. Swinging chairs, a gigantic lawn table. Look at the sunset from the west. It's gorgeous. You can fire up some steaks and burgers and hot dogs here. There is a stage for performance. Musicians, magicians. Look at that. Well, here's another area. It's more covered. Let's check out this pool. Look how clear the water is. Let's go take a look and see what they got behind here. All right. What's this? I have never seen a place that has a sand volleyball court and a hoop. I believe the sky deck is on this here. Design is definitely one of their strong points here. This is west. As you can see, the sun setting here. What a beautiful scene. Look at that. You can see the whole Las Vegas Strip. Let's zoom in a little more. Well, let's explore this space. Well, this is a good way to watch a football game. Get a bunch of your friends, some pizza, some wings. All right, good morning. I'm actually heading out for the day, planning to grab a delicious lunch and heading back out to this long pathway. So we are just 3 minutes away from the entrance of the freeway. Very convenient. I am heading to the Palms today to grab some noodles right onto the freeway. Oh look, there's a sign of the Raiders. And I just recently learned that Arriva is actually the corporate partners of the Las Vegas Raiders. And now we are on the I-15 freeway. I-15 freeway takes you from north and south, and I'm only about 13 minutes from the Palms. And we are 5 minutes from the South Point, and on the left you will actually see Silverton. So we're surrounded by a lot of places where you can grab some food, you can go and relax, have a drink, or just gather with some of your colleagues. So on my way to the Palms, you can actually see the Allegiant Stadium. This is where the Las Vegas Raiders play, and the large events such as concerts and WrestleMania is held here too. Look at this. This is going to be a gigantic guitar. This is where the Mirage used to sit. But Las Vegas is ever changing, and this is the newest project. Now we're back at Arriva. It was a fun day. Had a great lunch at the Palms, and heading back to my unit to relax and focus on a little bit more work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.